What's up? I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to check out what they're building in Oswego, Illinois. Okay, if you know anything about Oswego, it's a very, southwest suburb. Okay, they have very private communities, a really good high school as well in Oswego and Oswego East. So if you're in the market and you're looking for, a new home, a new construction, make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because Oswego is going to have some really new homes and the builder is going to be in my home, so you're not going to want to miss it. So stay tuned. Check it out. If this is your first time on this channel, you want to know everything there is to know about living in Chicago, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in beautiful Chicago. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Marley here, and I'm here to be your local guide on all things Chicago, all right? So if you're in the market, you're looking for a new home, right, or if you're in the market, you're looking for new construction, definitely make sure you subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications because I'm going to be showing you around all the new communities that are popping up here in the southwest suburbs, all right? So stay tuned because you're not going to want to miss out. All right, so before we go ahead and show you what we got to show you today, I got some models here I want to show you, so make sure you stick around to the end. We're at Somerset at Oswego, Illinois, okay, off of Wolf's Crossing. So there's some models I want to show you, and if you like the models, I'm going to show you some more models, so make sure you check out all of them so you can see which one the best is going to suit your lifestyle. All right, so let's go. All right, so wasn't that home just beautiful inside? I mean, it was just very beautiful inside. That was the Essex model there that you just saw. It was going to be starting at $532,000, okay? And they had a lot of upgrades in that home, and it's going to be included as well, okay? But if you want to add some more to it, or you want to kind of switch up some things like some different colors, you can do that in this home here. And it's also going to come with the in-law suite as well, full basement as well, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Trust me, you can't miss out on what In My Home is doing here in Oswego, okay? So if you really like this home that you just saw, right, you're really going to love the next one that I'm going to show you right here. So make sure you click on it right now, right, so you go view that home. But again, if you're in the market for a new home or you're looking at new construction, you're in Plainfield or Oswego, then let me know, right? We could definitely secure one of those ASAP for you, all right? But again, if you like this home, check out this one right here.